In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for freelancing. This beginner-friendly guide will help you save time and improve your workflow as a freelancer. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt based on the freelance task I want help with. For example, I might type, "Write a proposal for a freelance graphic design project." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a professional response, such as a proposal, message, or content depending on my request. I can also use Claude AI for other freelance tasks like writing emails, creating content, generating ideas, or managing client communication. For example, I might type, "Write a follow-up message to a client after sending a proposal." Claude can also help with pricing ideas, project planning, and organizing tasks. If I need better results, I can refine my prompt or ask follow-up questions. Once the content is ready, I can copy or download the content and use it in my freelance work. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to support my freelancing tasks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.